right out here. And now take 4 of them. We're just gonna place them right onto our plancha here. And now we've got eggs. We're just gonna pour 1 into the center of each pancake. And now I've got some cheddar cheese here, some fresh chives to finish it off. And now we've got a little surprise in the middle of each of our pancakes. And now we've got 3 strips of bacon right in the center. Finish laying our bacon down. And now we're gonna grab 4 more. We've got a nice hole in these as well. And now I've got some home fried potatoes. Those are gonna go right in the center. Nice little handful. And now last but not least, we're gonna hit it with syrup. Moisten it up and give it that signature pancake flavor. And now we're gonna stack these bad boys up. And move them. Massive stack of pancakes with a surprise in the middle. And now we're gonna take our mini stack and move on to the next step. And we're just gonna lay these right up against our sausage links. Now we're gonna take one, fold it around to make it look like a sausage. We've got a little pecan crusted taco here. Place our last mini taco here in our taco holder. And now we're gonna take 2 pairs of tongs and gently place these mini tacos right down into our oil here. And now we're gonna take a small ladle and baste the top of these. Baste these. And now that the sausage is cooked to 155 degrees, we're gonna lift it out, drain the oil out, and transfer it to our wire rack here to let it drain a little bit further. We're gonna slide this on over. And we've got our mini tacos here. And last but not least, finish it off. We're gonna place our jalapeno on our little sausage pancake taco. And there you guys have it, a pancake platter for the ages.